Welcome to Da Nang, Vietnam.
Let's see the Da Nang beach. It's beautiful. We'll see the Lady Buddha of Compassion, the tallest Buddha statue in Vietnam. And then also rice fields and I'll show you a beautiful outdoor lunch in Da Nang. And then finally, we'll take a look at Hoi An, the historic old part of Da Nang. Da Nang is Vietnam's fifth largest city, and it has approximately 1.1 to 1.2 million people. You can see the large white lady Buddha from the beach. The Lady Buddha of Da Nang is depicted to be a young and beautiful Vietnamese woman who stands on a lotus blossom floating on the clouds. We're almost there, and we're about to get the first glimpse of the statue.
Don't worry about taking picture, ladies and gentlemen. The bus will stop. The view, you can see the beautiful there from the top. We are going to the pagoda. Very nice.
Made of one gigantic piece of white marble. The complex includes a main temple, a bell tower, and lush, well-manicured bonsai gardens. Be sure to spend enough time here and don't rush. The view from the Buddha overlooking the water, overlooking all of Da Nang. This is the temple inside, and you do have to have your knees covered, shoulders covered, and remove your shoes before you can enter. Watch out for the monkeys. There is a very nice gift shop here, but beware, they do not take credit cards. They don't take Visa, only cash. Visiting the White Lady Buddha and all of this luscious grounds is free. It's free to enter. While Da Nang is primarily coastal, there are lush green rice fields that you can get to just a short drive away. They're mainly in the rural outskirts of Da Nang and nearby Hoi An, just maybe a 30-minute drive. These were bamboo basket boats. These round boats, they're used by local fishermen in central Vietnam to navigate the coastal waters and the rivers. Time for lunch. This restaurant, it's in Hoi An. It's on the waterfront. It features traditional architecture, a lovely garden, a swimming pool, and it serves authentic Hoi An cuisine. Really enjoyed it. Plus the weather. We just had a beautiful, nice, sunny, not too hot day. Very lucky. Large buffet. Multiple tour groups from buses from the cruise ship were eating lunch here all at the same time. So it was nice that they could accommodate such a large number of people. All this large garden area was just extensive, was part of the restaurant. I've never seen anything like it. Back on the tour bus, and now we're in Hoi An, the ancient, traditional part of Da Nang. Hoi An is on the central coast, and it's known for its well-preserved ancient town and all of the canals that cut through Hoi An. Vietnam was getting ready to celebrate the Lunar New Year, the year of the horse, and it was cool to see all of the lanterns. Plenty of ATMs in this area, and we did find shops that took Visa, took credit cards. the beautiful Dragon Bridge. This bridge has the ability to breathe water and fire. Unfortunately, we weren't there at the right time to see the show. There are over 77 million registered motorbikes nationwide in Vietnam. Wow.
It's always like minimum is like 20-25,000 for a very small car. That is the
If you want to take back a marble Buddha from Vietnam, looky here. Lots of choices, lots of options. Enjoyed watching the busy port from our balcony on the cruise ship on Holland America, just watching the boats come in and out. Always wanted to see Vietnam, and I'm so glad I got to. I did have to get a visa as an American citizen. That was a requirement. And it's a communist country, but they have the infrastructure for tourism. So it was welcoming. I'm glad I saw it, and I'd love to go back. Get out there and keep traveling, my friends.